Well, the entire North India is gripped by intense winter conditions with dense fog, freezing winds and icy mornings causing major disruptions to daily life, affecting transport visibility and routines across the region. In fact, Delhi woke up to a blanket of dense fog and biting cold wave this morning, with the minimum temperatures dipping.
ये कहना चाहेंगे कि हम लोग घने कोहरे और जाड़े का ठीक बहुत आनंद उठाते हैं। बड़ा अच्छा लगता है। हमारी उम्र करीब 74 साल है। हमको न सर्दी न जुकाम न कुछ हमको यहाँ मजा आता है। बढ़िया लगता है। हमारे मित्रगण बैठे हुए हैं, लोग इतना बैठ के आनंद देते हैं कि डॉक्टर फैक्टर दवाई का देगा हम लोगों को स्वस्थ रहने के लिए। महाराज, जितनी हम लोग दवाई यहाँ पा जाते हैं वातावरण से, भगवान साक्षी है, हम लोग कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, बढ़िया से है।
कहना है कि लोग कह गए हैं कि भाई अर्ली उठना चाहिए, तो हम लोग उसको फॉलो करते हैं। और यहाँ हम लोगों को आकर के जो कंपनी मिलती है, उसका जो आनंद मिलता है, वो और कहीं नहीं मिल सकता है। और ठंड और कुछ नहीं लगती, ये एक फीलिंग की बात है। जब तक आप लिहाफ ना हटाइए तब तक जाड़ा है, और जिस वक्त आपने लिहाफ हटा दिया, जाड़ा वाड़ा कुछ नहीं है। इतना आनंद आता है, कुछ कहना नहीं।
भाई, जैसा कि डॉक्टर बताते हैं कि मॉर्निंग वॉक जरूरी है, लेकिन वो खुद नहीं करते हैं, तो उनकी बात को ना मानते हुए हम लोग घना कोहरा हो, टेम्परेचर 5 हो जाए, तब भी यहाँ टहलने जरूर आते हैं। और उससे जो है पूरे दिन बड़ा स्फूर्ति रहती है।
My colleague Rishabh is joining us on the broadcast with the updates. Rishabh, dense fog outside, and often because of the fog, it also leads to zero visibility. It's been 3 days now since early morning has witnessed dense fog in the region. How has it affected transport?
Well, definitely, Pratibha. We are here at Delhi-Noida border, and you can see behind me that nothing is visible for that matter. There is a thick blanket of fog as we are talking, and it's 7:30 in the morning, and the transport is definitely affected. The visibility is very low. We cannot say that this is zero visibility right now, but definitely the visibility is very slow. The flights have been affected for last 3 days in the national capital. The trains have been affected in the national capital. Early morning, moving on expressways have become a difficult task given the fog and the dip in temperature. Air quality has also deteriorated, and that is the reason that CQAM has been pushed to reimpose Grab 3, Grab 4 in the national capital. And this is how the national capital is looking like: a thick, dense fog early morning for last 3 days, and today is no different. Today also the fog continues in the morning.
Okay, all right. In fact, even yesterday up until about 9 a.m. we could see fog all around. Today seems no different. Rishabh, if it's possible, is it possible for you to show us around, the vehicles, including cars, also get affected because the visibility really dips?
Well, you can see, Pratibha, this is how the national capital is looking like right now. You can see that even at 7:30 a.m. the headlights of the vehicles are on, and that's the only way you can right now travel in the national capital. The fog has left many people, early commuters in the national capital to struggle through this fog to reach their workplaces or their destination wherever they have to. You can see also the temperature is low, so the people using two-wheelers are especially facing a lot of issues in the national capital given the temperature and fog. We are also moving toward the national capital right now. We are here at the border of Delhi-Noida, and this is how the national capital entry looks like.
Okay, all right. Rishabh, stay with us. Let's tell our viewers the update as well. You're seeing it on the screen. Cold wave engulfing Delhi, the entire NCR region, really, and it has affected flight operations. Several trains also being delayed, and we're witnessing this for the third day in a row. Rishabh, thank you for joining us with those details. With that, let's shift our attention now to a Sikkim bridge collapse. A 25-year-old bridge has collapsed. That's the update coming in.